about the local pond. This is where we keep a lot of the extra supplies. This is our wonderful little easy bake oven, as I like to call it. We have made it to Tallahassee, Florida. We're right here, so we would want to take probably just a small inner loop one. And this is a new one. I mean, most of the county parks we've been to, we see that they don't allow alcohol in. I've never seen them say no profanity allowed.
Know what those clumps are?
What?
Oysters.
Oh.
There are oysters littering the shore here.
We are enjoying ourselves at the Steamers restaurant, and we are about to start enjoying some wonderful stuffed mushrooms